The biggest reason most people don't achieve early retirement is that they were never given a step-by-step guide. Schools often push the traditional path of getting a 9-to-5 job, saving diligently, and waiting until age 65 to retire. This linear approach leaves little room for exploring alternatives or achieving financial independence at a younger age. I once had the privilege of learning from a successful businessman who challenged this conventional wisdom. He suggested replacing the word retirement with freedom. True freedom, he explained, isn't just about stopping work. It's about having the financial means to live life on your own terms. Whether it's pursuing passions, traveling the world, or starting a new venture, having financial freedom means having choices. Today, we'll delve into the actionable plan I followed to achieve my retirement goal in my late 20s, starting from ground zero. By sharing these steps, I hope to empower you to take control of your financial future and work towards your own version of financial freedom. Don't forget to hit that like button to support this video and subscribe for more insights on building wealth and achieving financial independence. Your freedom figure is the financial milestone you need to achieve to gain full control of your life. It represents the amount of wealth that, once accumulated, allows you to sustain your desired lifestyle without needing to rely on active income. Without a clear freedom figure, you're navigating your financial journey blindly, potentially wasting time and effort on paths that don't align with your goals. In the realm of financial planning, there are typically three types of individuals: drifters, dreamers, and doers. Drifters live paycheck to paycheck without concrete financial goals. Dreamers have aspirations, but lack a structured plan to achieve them. Doers, on the other hand, set clear financial goals and actively work towards them through strategic planning and execution. A practical way to determine your freedom figure is through the times 25 rule. Simply multiply your desired annual income in retirement by 25. For example, if you aim to live comfortably on $50,000 per year without actively working, your freedom figure would be $1.25 million. This rule ensures that you have enough savings to sustain your lifestyle without depleting your nest egg. Shifting your mindset from focusing solely on cash flow to prioritizing wealth building is crucial. While cash flow is important for day-to-day expenses, building wealth involves strategically investing in assets that appreciate over time. This shift in mindset sets the foundation for long-term financial stability and resilience against economic uncertainties. Building a solid financial foundation is akin to constructing a sturdy house on stable ground rather than on quicksand. It ensures that your financial structure can withstand unexpected challenges and market fluctuations. High-interest debt can severely hinder your wealth-building efforts. Distinguishing between good and bad debt is crucial. Good debt generates returns, while bad debt drains your resources. Using strategies like the debt avalanche method, paying off high-interest debts first, can accelerate your path to financial freedom. An emergency fund acts as a financial buffer, protecting your investments from unexpected expenses. By setting aside funds equivalent to several months' worth of living expenses, you can avoid liquidating investments prematurely during emergencies. A strong credit score opens doors to favorable loan terms and financial opportunities. Start by responsibly using a credit card for routine expenses and consistently paying off the balance in full each month. This practice demonstrates reliability to lenders and improves your overall creditworthiness. Maximizing tax-advantaged accounts like a 401k or Roth IRA can significantly reduce your tax burden while simultaneously growing your savings. These accounts allow you to invest pre-tax income, enabling your investments to compound over time without immediate tax implications. In the next segment, we'll explore how to expand your financial portfolio through multiple income streams and delve into strategies for creating passive income, essential steps towards achieving early retirement and financial independence. Stay tuned, and let's continue building towards your financial freedom together. Building multiple income streams is akin to Spider-Man's web, strong and interconnected, providing a safety net against financial uncertainties. Just as Spider-Man relies on multiple webs for stability and flexibility, diversifying your income sources spreads risk and enhances financial security. Leveraging existing skills and passions is key to establishing successful side hustles. Whether it's through affiliate marketing, e-commerce ventures, or drop shipping, side hustles capitalize on your strengths and interests to generate additional income streams outside of your primary job. The value you provide determines your earning potential across these income streams. The higher the perceived value of your products or services, the greater your ability to command premium prices and maximize your earnings. Passive income refers to earnings generated with minimal active involvement, allowing money to work for you even while you sleep. This approach contrasts with traditional labor-intensive income streams and emphasizes the importance of building assets that generate ongoing returns. The stock market offers accessibility through investing apps, making it easier than ever to participate in wealth creation. Emphasizing investments in index funds and dividend reinvestment plans provides a steady accumulation of wealth over time, leveraging the power of compounding. Cryptocurrency presents a newer avenue for passive income, characterized by its low entry barriers and higher volatility. Focusing on well-established coins with strong fundamentals reduces risk while potentially offering substantial returns over the long term. Real estate investing showcases the power of leveraging borrowed capital to amplify returns. While promising, it carries risks, particularly when over-leveraged. Strategic property selection and management mitigate risks and enhance passive income streams. Achieving financial independence through these strategies requires dedication and persistence, especially when complemented by a side hustle. It's crucial to set realistic expectations and remain committed to your long-term financial goals. Stay consistent and disciplined in your financial endeavors. Each step taken towards building multiple income streams and generating passive income contributes to a lifetime of financial freedom and independence. In summary, achieving financial freedom involves 4 key phases: defining your freedom figure, laying a solid foundation, building multiple income streams, and creating passive income. Each phase is interconnected, forming a comprehensive strategy towards financial independence. If you found this information valuable, please subscribe, and share this video with others who are on their journey to financial independence. Your support helps grow our community and spreads the message of financial empowerment. Remember, if I can achieve financial independence starting from zero, so can you. Let's embark on this journey together towards a future of financial security and freedom. Start today, and let's make our dreams of financial independence a reality. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to continuing this journey with you.